today I'll be unboxing the Ryzen 5 processor. So to be exact, this is the Ryzen 5 5600G with Radeon Graphics. It's a 6-core 12-thread processor and it maxes out at 4.4 GHz max boost, and the base boost is 3.9 GHz base boost. So as you can see, it is the AMD Radeon Graphics built in. I got this for around $258 on Newegg. On the website though, the official website for like Ryzen, they said you can get it from anywhere from $280 US. So pretty much the processor is right here, as you can see. I'm going to unbox it in a few, and on the back you basically see this box includes the AMD Ryzen processor featuring the Radeon Graphics, the install instruction, and 3-year limited warranty, and premium cooler designed for use in the PC. So that's basically it, guys, and it comes in a different language. Over here it says max boost is the maximum frequency achievable by single core on the processor running a busty single-threaded workload. Max boost will vary based on several factors included but not limited to thermal pace, system cooling, motherboard design, BIOS, and the latest AMD Ryzen chip, and all those stuff. So that's pretty much giving you some instructions. So right now, guys, I'm going to get my unboxing knife. So here's my unboxing knife right here. So I'm just going to cut this right here because that's the only thing. Take your time and cut it because that processor in there is very delicate, guys. So so that's what's in the box. I think this is a manual right here. Oh, this is just sponge. Yeah, this is just sponge right here. I think the box got even smaller compared to the 3rd gen. I think so, I believe so. So this right here is just a little padding sponge, I guess. And so put that aside there. We have the instructions on how to install it, but I'll be using this in a build very soon, so stay tuned for that video. I'll try to link it above so you guys can go ahead and check out that video with me installing this and talking more about this. So here we have inside this box, I believe it's the cooler. I'm not sure if it's the LED one. I can check for you guys. So let's take it out. This is the CPU cooler, and no, it's not the LED. And how do I know? It would have some lights right here. It will look pretty much different. Basically, this is much smaller also than the one that I bought around 2 years ago, which is the 3rd gen. It came with the LED cooler actually, and this seems like it actually comes with thermal paste thermal paste on it already. I'm not sure, but yeah, that is that. And yeah, that's pretty much what's in the box. So put that aside, and now this is where your money is. So this is the processor right here, and as you can see, it comes with a Ryzen sticker as usual, and you can place this either on your PC or wherever you want. It says AMD Ryzen 5000 series, so it's the 5, as I said, not the 7 or the 9, the 5. And right in there you have your processor. Let me take it out for you guys real quick so you can see, nice and shine, and the pins look very nice, guys. So let's put it back in there because I don't want to damage it or anything yet. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. That's pretty much what this video is about. Just a simple unboxing. Let me know if you're using this in your design. How is it working? How much are you getting it for? But if you want to like a link to get it. It will be down in the description. Also, if you make a purchase from that link, it will actually support this channel, which will be really nice for me. So guys, that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you guys for watching. If you reach this point in this video, please subscribe because you definitely like the content. But until then, guys, I'll see you guys when I see you guys.